Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Chainlink from Bitmart to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure, and moving them to a personal wallet like Trust Wallet is a smart move. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it with confidence. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need an active account on Bitmart with some Chainlink tokens, and Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. Also, double-check your Trust Wallet address. Crypto transfers are permanent, so accuracy is key to avoid any headaches. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your Chainlink balance. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option next to Chainlink. Select it, and you'll be prompted to choose the network. Make sure it's the correct one for Chainlink, like Ethereum, as this can vary. Step 3. Enter your Trust Wallet address in the withdrawal form. Be precise here. Copy and paste it directly from your Trust Wallet app to prevent errors. Then, specify the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and fees. Once you're sure everything looks good, hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication if required. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Open your Trust Wallet, go to the Chainlink asset, and refresh to see if your tokens have arrived. A quick tip for 2025. Always monitor transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track your transfer in real time. And remember, if you're dealing with larger amounts, consider the security of your devices. There you have it. That's how you safely transfer Chainlink from Bitmart to Trust Wallet. It's easier than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.